If you want the record so you can go back to it and study it, send me your Telegram and I will send it to you. All right, guys. So since we are talking about education, and I know you are still in school, let's learn more about the education stages. Like after you finish the high school, or if you are in the middle school now, what else comes? What comes after this? And also, are there other names for the education stages? For example, when you start to go to school, what is the name of this stage? Sometimes people are 3 or 4. Do you know? You can read it.
KG?
It's called kindergarten. Yes, kindergarten. This is like the very, very start people who are like, or children who are 4 or 5 years old, or maybe 3 years old sometimes, go to the kindergarten. It's 2 years, um, where they learn مثلا the letters, the alphabet, I mean, or the numbers, very basic things. Okay, after the kindergarten, what do we have?
Primary school.
That's right, primary school. And after that,
Middle school.
middle school. And after that,
High school.
yes. So there are other names maybe you took at school. These are also different names. So primary school, there is another name. Do you guys know it? No one knows? Men elementary. Yes, I forget the letter here. Let me rewrite it. No, not this one. Forgot an A. It's easier to get it like this. Okay. So this is elementary school. It's another name for primary school. Okay, middle school. Do you know another name for it?
Teacher, Miss, what's name? Elementary.
Elementary is the same as primary. It's just another name. It's the same thing. اسم ثاني ليها بدل ما نقول primary school نقول عليها elementary school. Alright. What about middle school? Do you know another name for middle school?
Preparatory.
Bravo, that's right. Prep school or preparatory school. Okay, what about high school? There is another name for it.
Secondary.
Excellent. Secondary school. Okay. We have the university. Okay. But after the university, when you graduate, what do you take? لما بتتخرج خلص تعليم بتاخد شهادة certificate اسمها ايه بقى؟ حد يعرف? Does anybody know? Okay, it's either a diploma or bachelor على حسب الجامعة والكلية نفسها. في جامعة بتدي bachelor بكالوريوس أو في جامعة بتدي ايه؟ diploma. كل جامعة بتختلف. طيب after you finish this and you want to study more, what do you take? Guys, you can simply
Master.
read. Yes, master's degree. Okay. And if you wanted to take more and be a professor at the university, what do you take?
Doctorate.
Yes, or PhD if you want to be a professor. Okay, so these are the what? The education stages. Okay. There are more words you may use. So we have curriculum, semester, graduation, scholarship. Okay. And when you go to school, you have to give them money. What is the name of that money? We call this tuition. Tuition fees. This is for any educational stages. يعني if you want to say it ما نقولش بقى ايه I pay the school money. No, no, this is like 5-year-old. You're not a child. So we call this اسمها tuition fees. Okay. Alright, internship. في ناس كتير متبقاش عارفة what is the internship. Uh, it's something very good. A lot of people after they finish university, يعني after you finish the university, what do you do in your life? مين يعرف؟ I finished university. بنعمل ايه بقى في الحياة؟
searching for a work.
بيروحوا تدريبات.
Yeah, you look for a job, right? يعني مثلا if you finished medicine school أو medical school يعني أو مثلا educational school هي مدرسة المدرسين دي كلية التربية. You now should work, right? يعني مش عايز more education، مش عايز تاخد ماستر ومش عايز PhD، مش عايز ده كله. هتعمل ايه بعد كده؟ After you finish learning, you look for a job. طيب ال companies أو any place always prefer people who have experience. صح؟ They always prefer these people. صح ولا لا؟ انت لو عندك شركة أو أيا كان مؤسسة هتفضل إنك تعين شخص ما يعرفش أي حاجة لسه متخرج ولا حد عنده خبرة؟ Someone with experience or someone who is fresh grad?
Someone with
experience.
experience.
Exactly. فعشان كده a lot of people cannot find job. كتير بيبقى مش لاقيين وظيفة. طيب ايه الحل؟ The internship. What is an internship? Does anybody know?
بيروحوا مكاتب أو أي مكان بيتدربوا فيه من غير فلوس، حاجات زي كده، أو فلوس قليلة.
Yes, yes, exactly. So you go to this place and you say you want an internship. فthey let you يعني they don't give you major job. مش بيدوكوا وظائف أساسية، حاجات خطيرة يعني. بس at the same time الهدف ان انتوا يعني watch and learn، تتفرجوا على اللي بيشتغلوا وتعرفوا هم بيعملوا ايه from close. And when you learn they give you the job. كده هما يطمنوا ان هم يدوكوا ايه شغل. ان الشغل طبعا بفلوس، واذا حط حد مش امين او مش شاطر كفاية هيخسروا شغل، ممكن يخسروا الشركة كلها. ف they give them internship until they are ready, and after that they can work. By the way guys, any company you want to work for وفيل بقى ان هي صعبة جدا وان هم طالبين حاجات كتير، جربوا to ask for internship. على فكرة هم مش بيبقوا حاطين مثلا ان انتوا تبقوا خريجين، يعني ممكن تعملوا ده وانتوا مثلا في الجامعة، ممكن تسألوا على internship بحيث تتخرجوا وتشتغلوا على طول. Also if you have free time in high school، لو دخلنا مثلا السكندري اللي هي المدرسة الثانوي خلصنا we are in vacation، you can also look for internship. you sometimes على فكرة بيبقى paid، في كتير منها بيبقى مدفوع، وساعات بيسافروا برا فدوروا في الانترنشيب والسكولرشيب. See what you want to do in life and search for that. Alright, now let's read the vocabularies before we start the conversation. Kindergarten, primary school, elementary, middle school, high school, university, diploma, bachelor degree, master's degree, PhD or doctorate, curriculum, semester, graduation, scholarship, tuition fees, internship. Can you start, Rimas?
Okay. Kinder, Garten,
Kindergarten, yes.
um, kindergarten, primary school, elementary, middle school, high school, university, diploma,
Bachelor's degree,
what's this?
bachelor's degree.
Bachelor's degree, master's degree, PhD,
Yep. Curriculum.
Curriculum, semester, graduation, scholarship.
Bravo. Go on. Tuition fees.
Tuition fees, internship, internship,
Internship.
intern.
Very good. Now, Hala. Hala, can you hear me?
Yes. English word. No. Kindergarten, primary school, elementary, middle school, kindergarten, high school, university, diploma, bachelor's degree, master's degree,
One. Go on.
PhD, doctorate, Yes.
Yeah.
حالا بقولها
Oh, sorry. Oh, this is sad. طب can she continue from your phone وبعدين you read it?
Okay. Curriculum, semester, curriculum, semester, graduation, tuition fees,
وإيه اللي حصل ده؟ Oh my God. Oh, okay. Scholarship.
tuition fees. I read the down.
Yeah, so you can see tuition fees and internship.
Internship.
Tuition fees.
Tuition fees, internship.
Well done. Okay, Hala, you are up. Oh, sorry, Jana, you're up. Okay, Yasin.
اوكي بس ممكن من الأول
Oh,
يعني.
sure. Sorry. Forget.
اوكي kindergarten, primary school, elementary, middle school, high school, university, diploma, bachelor's degree,
Bachelor.
bachelor's degree, master's degree, PhD أو doctorate, curriculum,
One second.
graduation, scholarship, tuition fees, internship.
Very good. All right. Now, guys, it's time to make conversation. Can someone be the mother and someone the child? Can you start, Jenna and Yasin? Jenna, are you there?
Yes, I'm there.
Okay.
Which stage of school are you in now?
I'm in a middle school. Next year, I will move to high school.
That's great. Are you excited?
Yes, I wanna to study science and mathematics. I all challenge myself with difficult problems.
That's good habit. But don't push yourself too hard.
You are right. My brother likes to teach himself new things, and my sister enjoys studying by herself.
All right. So this question, you may hear it like, what stage of school are you in now? Or which grade are you in? You can, بس الstage غير نسأل about your grade. If you're in middle school, you will change your answer and say middle school. If you are in high school, you say high school. If this question is asked while you're on vacation, فهتبقى الإجابة next year I will move to high school. أو مثلا لو مش إحنا في آخر سنة فمش هنقول الجملة دي. That's great. Are you excited? Yes, I want to study science and mathematics. طبعا هما الميدل سكول بيدرسوا ساينس وماثماتكس بس مش بيبقى ايه بالديفيجن التانية يعني مثلا مش بياخدوا بقى في form of biology and chemistry and الأنواع التانية من العلوم بقى اللي هو الماس هتتقسم لتلاتة والساينس برضه بيتقسم لتلاتة وهكذا. I always uh, challenge myself with difficult problems. ده مثال برضه إن أنا هقول أنا متحمس ليه يعني always your answer is put why. دايما نقول because كذا عشان إجابتي تطول. That's a good habit. But don't push yourself too hard يعني ما تضغطش على نفسك. Okay. Now Hala and Rimas, can you try to do it again?
Okay.
A mother or child?
You're the mother, Hala.
Which stage of school are you in now?
I am in the middle school. Next year I will move to high school.
That's great. Are you excited?
Yes, I want to study science and mathematics. I always change myself with difficult problems.
Challenge.
That's good habit. That's good habit. But don't push yourself too hard.
You are right. My brother likes to teach himself if new things, and my sister enjoy studying by herself.
Right. Very good. Do you guys think you can do this again but without reading this time? Not exactly. يعني بس هنجاوب بقى بالإجابات الحقيقية بتاعتنا. كل واحد يقول بالصف بتاعه الحقيقي فعلا وهو حاسس بإيه. فعلا هو متحمس يدرس السنة الجاية ولا he's not excited, he's scared. Maybe it will be harder and the exams will be harder. I'm not sure I can do it. I don't like مثلا science and math very much. But I will do my best and study. Maybe I will take private lessons. يعني بديكوا أفكار. Just giving you ideas. Okay. If you guys are ready, say we are ready. أنا هسيبك الجزء ده بحيث انتوا ايه تحطوا إجاباتكم بس when you do it, try not to leave. Anyone is ready?
Yes, I am.
Okay, Yasin is ready. Anyone else? Okay, let's give them a second. Maybe they need to prepare.
Miss Sarah,
Yeah.
uh, I always challenge myself by what?
You mean in here؟
Yes.
دي مكتوبة هنا؟
Yeah.
With difficult problems.
Okay.
So you don't have to say that exactly يعني. If that's not you خلاص مش لازم نفس الإجابة. You can say what you think or what you feel.
I'm ready.
Okay, can you do it with Yasin? Let's start. Okay, Yasin, you start this time, please.
Okay. What's your school right now?
I'm in the middle school. And the next year I'll go to high school.
Yeah, but I want to tell you something. لو قلنا what school من غير stage هي المفروض تقولك اسم المدرسة.
Yeah.
Don't forget to say stage. If you want to ask about stage طبعا. بس لو عايز تسأل في البداية عن the name of the school, that's fine. All right,
Okay.
go on.
How do you find it, or how did you found the last years of school?
Uh,
You can say you found it hard or
I
easy, fun or
I
boring.
find it hard. I find it hard, but so I take tuitions.
You mean like private lessons?
Um,
Yes.
Okay.
what have you do to make it easier for you?
Nothing.
You can ask him what
Are you
about
excited?
you. يعني ممكن
What about
عشان
you?
yeah, because this is a
What
conversation.
about you?
Um, it was good, but it's full of pressure. It was full of pressure.
Ask him how
It's
did
good.
he manage.
How did you manage?
Um,
You didn't?
I tried to
Yeah,
manage my time and um, looking for the missions what I have and managed it to do my best. That's it.
that's a very good answer. Well done. Great job, guys.
Okay. Are you interested for this year of school?
Not too much because it's hard, but uh, I
Not too much
it's good.
because what's scaring you?
It's hard. It's hard
Ask her why.
Why?
because this year the math and science divided into three groups. So it's difficult.
You should put a plan and trying to um,
Yeah,
manage your study and put specific times for studying every day to find it easy.
Yes, I will do that.
Okay.
yeah. Sounds like a very good plan. Okay, what about Jana and Rimas?
I'm ready.
Okay.
Me too.
All right, let's start. Ask her, Rimas.
Okay, what's your school stage?
I'm in the middle school.
Uh,
What about
can you
you?
hear me?
Yeah, we hear you.
Yes, okay. That's great. Are you excited?
I know I'm scared um, from the subjects.
Oh,
Afraid of the new subjects مثلا.
um, don't push yourself too hard, and the years will be good.
Yeah, بس you don't have to say this. هي أصلا قالت إنها خايفة. هي مش هتبذل مجهود كبير أوي ما نعرفش يعني. ممكن تقولها مثلا don't be afraid, don't worry, you can do it. يعني أنا عاوزاكي الإجابة دي مجرد مثال يساعد، يعني مش لازم تلتزمي بيه أوي. غيري براحتك.
تمام.
Alright, great.
Okay.
Yeah. مثلا أقولها are you excited for next year مثلا، أو ممكن تقولي لها what are you going to do about it.
Okay. Are you excited to meet your friends or make new friends?
A little bit.
That's good.
No, that's not good. بتقول a little bit يعني مش قوي. شكلها مش عايز تعرفهم تاني. سريع مثلا ليه
Oh,
why.
Miss Salma. I'm sorry, Miss Salma.
That's okay. Yeah, ask her why.
Why?
You don't want to meet those people again يعني ولا you said a little bit. Why aren't you excited?
هي بتقول، أنا سمعتها بتقول انت عايزة تعرفي ناس جديدة، حاجة زي كده، وانت خايفة.
هي بتقولك متحمسة تعرفي صحابك، مش عارفة هي تقصد صحاب قدام ولا صحابك اللي تعرفيهم.
في كلتا الحالتين نفس الإجابة.
نفس انه a little bit. طب why. شكلهم عملوا حاجة مزعلاكي قوي. You don't want to tell us?
I don't know anyone.
Oh, you don't have any friends. Is that because you don't want friends or you can't find friends or what's the reason?
I have يعني in the school I can't say they are friends. Yeah.
Oh, they are just colleagues, right?
Yes.
Yeah, like people you know. I see. All right. That's not bad. Okay. All right, guys. This is a small presentation in the past simple. هنا أنا يعني كنت قصدي أحط لكم verbs تكون irregular علشان تستخدموا أفعال متنوعة في الباست بتحكوا فيها عن لما كنتوا في المرحلة اللي فاتت. يعني مثلا شوفوا انتوا في مرحلة ايه واحكوا عن المرحلة قبلها. لو انتوا في إعدادي دلوقتي هتقولوا هتقولوا ابتدائي. وهكذا. مثلا I was in high school and I loved learning. My favorite subjects are طبعا هتغيروا وتقولوا موادي المفضلة because وتقولوا السبب. مثلا اللي بيحب الماث بيحبه ليه، الانجليش بيحبه ليه. ممكن الماث مثلا زي ما هو قال هنا it challenges me. مثلا many people find it hard and think that I am smart. فعلا مش أي حد يحب الماث. مادة رخمة. For example مثلا I like languages because they are easy to learn and I like to speak to different people. I like to watch movies. You'll find a lot of answers. uh, بعد كده I taught myself reading books. برضه زي ما قلت في جمل ممكن تعملوها skip خالص، ممكن تغيروا فيها. My brother studied by himself and enjoyed learning new things while my sister prefers studying on her own. هنا أنا بستخدم تكنيك إيه؟ لما أكون ما عنديش كلام كتير عن نفسي بحكي عن ناس تانيين. يعني مثلا بحكي عن أفراد العيلة، أول حد بيجي في بالي، أو ممكن تحكي عن أصحابكم. حتى لو ما عنديش صحاب ألفوا 5 أسماء وادوهم أي صفات هتلاقوا 4 جمل زادت تلقائي. كل اللي احنا عايزين نتعود عليه ان احنا بس نزود الكلام بتاعنا شوية علشان يبقى عندي طلاقة لما حد يجي يتكلم معايا. انا شخص متعود على الكلام. عايزة اقول لكم يا جماعة لحد دلوقتي في ناس يعني مدرسين بيبقوا مقدمين على شغل مشكلتهم الوحيدة ان هم مش متكلمين كفاية. يعني هم بيعرفوا انجلش بيعرفوا القواعد لكن لما بييجوا يكلموا بيتأتأوا لان هم مش متعودين. فده اللي انا بحاول اعمل معاكم دلوقتي، ان احنا نتعود. انا مش عايزاكم تطلعوا بقى ايه لسه مش عارفين نتكلم، لسه ما عندناش أفكار. لا، هنا بنفكر بقى في الأفكار. هنا بنشوف بقى هنقول ايه. فأنا مش عاوزاكم تطنشوا الواجب، مش عايزاكم تكبروا دماغكم من الموضوع. وقت السيشن أبقى عايز دوري يخلص بقى أقول أي كلمتين. لا، احنا كنا جايين نتعلم وعايزين أحسن حاجة عندنا. وأنا طبعا عايزة أساعدكم. ولو عايزين مثلا مواضيع معينة، تكنيكس معينة، في حاجة معينة نفسكم تدرسوها، عرفوني. it's okay. لان انا بالنسبه لي انا بشوف من الاسئله اللي بسالها لكم في اول الحصه بقول ايه هي اكتر حاجه هم محتاجينها. مثلا بلاحظ ان دول بيغلطوا في الزمن الفلاني، خلاص اشرحه المره الجايه او النهارده. دول مثلا اجاباتهم قصيره قوي، عايزه اجاباتهم تكون طويله شويه. مثلا هما لما بيتكلموا ما بيطلعوش بره الزمن المضارع البسيط والماضي البسيط، مش بيستخدموا اي حاجه فيها present perfect ولا conditionals ولا passive. فاهمين قصدي؟ فده اللي انا بمشي مع بنطلع سلمه سلمه. لو في حاجه معينه مثلا محتاجينها نفسكم تتعلموها let me know. Do you guys have any questions about today's lesson?
No.
Thank you guys so much for being here
No,
today.
thanks.
See you next time. Don't forget to do your homework please, which is البرزنتيشن الأخير ده هتعملوه على نفسكم.